Welcome to Code Shopping.
Hi, today we are going to see the demo for library PHP web application. Now let's see how to start the project. First open the XAMPP control panel, start the MySQL database and Apache web server. Next open the Visual Studio Code. Explore the library folder and then click the readme text. Here you can see the login details and project URL. Copy the localhost PHP myadmin and paste to the browser. Left side you can see the database tables. Click the table name, you can view the data. For Windows user, open the XAMPP control panel. Start the Apache and MySQL. Next click the MySQL admin, it will promote you to the web browser. Then you can see the backend database tables. Next open the Visual Studio Code. Explore the web folder, you can see the project delivery files. Explore the JS, you can see the Angular JS file. Click the file name, you can view the source code. And then click the HTML file, you can view the HTML source code. And then click the readme text. Copy the project URL and paste to the browser. Here we have two roles, admin and student. Let's start with the admin. Enter the admin email ID and password. Then click the login button. Login successful. Here we have several models. Here you can add the book details and then view the book details. Add the materials and then update the materials. View the feedback. Issue the book. Let's start with the add book. Here you can enter all the fields for adding a book details. Enter the book name. And then enter the author. And then enter the description. And then enter the language. Enter the publisher name. Enter the year. Enter the category. And then enter the department. Once you do that, click the submit button. So the book added successfully. Whatever has been added, you can view here. If you want to update or delete anything, you can do it here. Then click the new book. Here you can able to see the book details. Here you can using the search option. Here you can issue the book for the students. Here you can select the up to date. That means you should return the book within this date. And then enter the email ID. Then click the submit button. It will be issued. Then click the return book. Here you can see the borrowed book details and then update the status whether it is written or pending. Then click the add material. Here you can enter the subject. Here you can enter the subject, department, year, and then choose your file. Once you do that, click the submit button, it will be upload. Whatever has been added, you can view the update material. Here you can using the search option. Or filter the details like department wise or year wise. If you want to download it, click the download button, it will be download. And then click the feedback. Here you can see the feedback. Next, move to the student. Before you log in, you have to register. Here you can enter all the field for student registration. Enter the name, enter the email ID, and then enter the password, mobile number, and then enter the address. And then enter the answers. Once you do that, click the register button. The password must be in 8 digit. It must contain one capital letter, one special character and numbers. So registered successfully. Next, enter the student email ID and password. Then click the login button. So login successful. Here we have several models. Here you can search the book details and then view your borrowed book details and then view the materials and then post your feedback. Click the search. Here you can see the book details. Here you can see the book status, whether it is issued or available. Here you can using the search option. Next, click the My Borrow. Here you can view your borrowed book details. And then click the material. Here you can view the file details. If you want to download it, click the download button, it will be download.
Okay, you have seen.
Here you can use in the search options. Or filter the details like department wise or year wise.
New.
And then click the My Profile. Here you can view your profile
Can you
details.
tell me English?
If you want to update anything, you can do it
Yeah,
here.
email me in WhatsApp. I will update.
Then click the post feedback. Here you can enter the name and enter the feedback. Then click the submit button, it will be posted.
Yeah, is it audible? Yeah, fine. Okay, so I will tell you how to.
Then click the My Feedback. Here you can see your feedback. So this is a library PHP web application.
Code shopping.